Didn't even, oh, here it comes. Here it comes. Are you gonna get it? Oh, you stinking fish. Why chase it all the way from out here if the mangrove's out here and not do anything? Why? Why not? Do it. Do it. Do it. I say we go get live bait. Yeah. Whoa, dude. Holy shit, Eric. That was a big fish, bro. That was a big fish, bro. It caught me off guard, completely off guard. Like, okay, we're doing the right thing. Dude, that caught me completely off guard. That was a massive snook, dude. Holy shit. That, like, I was just not even close to being prepared for that at all.
That's what you're doing, right? Had your head down on the trolling motor?
No, I didn't. I just made my cast. I closed the bail. I wiggled it a few times and just kerplam, and I just wasn't ready. It missed the hooks anyway. That was a big one, dude. Holy smokes. All right. Wow. Wow. That was a big fish, yo. Holy smokes.